Hello everyone, welcome back to the complete JasperReports tutorial series. Today I'm so happy because in the previous video we designed a professional student ID card using JasperReports. In this video, let's add a QR code to our student ID card. We will explain what is a QR code, what is the need of QR code, and how we can use in JasperReports. So let's get started. So first, let's explain that what is a QR code. A QR code, which stands for Quick Response Code, it's a two-dimensional barcode that can store different types of information. Unlike a traditional barcode, a QR code can store much more data or information and can be scanned easily using almost any smartphone camera. So, in simple way, a QR code provides a way to store different types of information unlike a traditional barcode because the QR code can store more data and can be scanned easily using almost any smartphone camera. So nowadays QR codes are used everywhere like student ID cards, employee ID cards, product labels, payment systems, attendance systems, and so on. In real world applications, QR codes are commonly used to verify something and identify something. That means the QR codes are commonly used for verification and identification. So anyway, let's implement QR code in Jaspersoft Studio step by step. So as you can see in the previous video, we designed this simple student ID card. First, let's preview that. Okay, it takes some time, no problem. As you can see, we have different cards. The first one, then we have a second, after that third, and we have fourth card. Okay, so we want to implement QR code in this student ID card. Simple, what we want to do, we have basic elements, and here we have barcode. Just drag and drop here. Sorry, this is the main report. Double click on that. We want to switch to the sub report. Okay, and here what we want to do, we want to drag and drop barcode. Simple. Okay, as you can see, we have barcode types, and here what we want to select, we have QR code. Just select this one, then finish. Okay, thereafter what we want to do, here we have barcode, then we have code expression, and here we have some number. We want to edit that because we want to fetch data from MySQL database. Just click here. So instead of this number, what we want to do, we want to use student ID. Okay, we want to use that ID, and you can use different fields also, there is no problem, but we want to use only the student ID. Let's remove that, and here double click on that, then finish. Okay, this was the first step. We connected or we integrated the QR code with the student ID card. The next step, let's design this simple QR code here and here also. Let's save the changes, then you want to preview the report. As you can see, we have the first card and here we have the QR code. Then we have the second card, then we have the QR code, that is good. After that, we have the third student, okay, then fourth, and then we have the last student, okay. So now the card is look like good because we have student ID, we have the detailed information of the student, and we have the QR code, okay. So later, based on this QR code, we can get data from MySQL database using Java application or Spring Boot application. There is no problem. That means whenever someone scans the code, it can get information about the student, it can get the detailed information of each student like name, ID number, email address, phone number, department, semester, faculty, graduation year, and so on. Based on that code, we can get the complete information of each student and we can verify and we can identify each student using that code. Okay? So, if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share my videos with friends. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.